Good evening, I'm Daniel Crow, and this is a breaking news report from GNN, the global news network. We've just received disturbing, and frankly baffling, footage from a local gym. A creature with the head of a goat and the body of a bodybuilder has been caught on camera, deadlifting like it's the Olympics. Eyewitnesses say he paid for a day pass, and no one's seen him leave. Some are calling it a hoax. Others say it's the beginning of something much bigger. Either way, you're going to want to see this for yourself. Take a look.
Mate, I've never seen anyone lift like that before. What even is that?
Whatever it is, it skipped leg day.
Okay, we've seen some wild things on this channel, but did that barbell just go through his neck? We reached out to several gym experts for comment. One simply said, "That's not a gym beast, that's a glitch demon." No official response from Goat Man yet, but if you have an explanation, I'd really love to hear it. Meanwhile, in a completely different part of the world, a car wash customer reports something unforgettable. No, not a bad wax job. He claims a massive, unidentifiable creature slid through the foam jets and locked eyes with him mid-cycle. His exact words? "I just froze." It wasn't a man. It wasn't an animal. It just stared. Are these sightings connected? Or are we just losing our collective minds? You decide. Take a look at this. Okay, I'm still trying to process what we just saw. Was that a sea creature at a car wash? And did she smile at the camera? I genuinely don't know what to say anymore. But it gets weirder. Just in breaking footage out of Russia, eyewitnesses claim a large, hairy creature resembling Bigfoot was caught on CCTV shopping. Yes, shopping. At a supermarket. Checkout and everything. We've got the footage. Roll it.
It can't be real. It just can't be real. What is it with this human technology?
I had to help him. I was pooing my pants, but he was actually quite polite.
Well, there you have it. Bigfoot at the self-checkout. And apparently, the poor shop worker nearly pooed her pants, helping him scan a bag of frozen peas. I wish I was making this up, but no, this is where we are now. Creatures appearing across the globe on camera in public, and apparently shopping. I don't know what's happening out there, but something's changed, and I've got a feeling we're just getting started. I'm Daniel Crow, and this is the new normal. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of this madness. And let's be honest, you're already hooked. Keep watching. I'll be right here.